Hey everyone, join me in unboxing and setting up and trying out my new Sun UV lamp. I was so excited and like almost starstruck, I would say. I got a message from Sun UV on TikTok and they asked if I wanted to collaborate with them. They would send me a lamp and I could make some videos for it. And I said, of course, yes. Is there any question who would say no to that, right? Everybody knows who Sun UV is. I think if you do nails, they're like the nail lamp company. I think everybody starts out with a Sun UV lamp. If not, you should. I loved my old lamp that my friend T gave me because it's all pretty and sparkly, but you know, if it's a Sun UV lamp, it's going to cure properly. That's just, you know, the way it is. These are really good quality lamps, and this one is amazing. This is called the Sun 2C UV LED lamp. And look how cute it is. It's little. I actually really like the size of it. It's little and it has the buttons are kind of like silicone. It's different. That is the one thing I would say I wish was a little bit different, is I wish the buttons were more accessible. For someone like me that does not do like clients, I just use myself, it's kind of, you can't see the buttons when it's facing you. So but when you put your hand in it, it does have the sensor that cures for 120 seconds. So that is good. But like I said, it is kind of hard to reach them and know which button you're touching without, you know, memorizing it. Anyway, other than that, this lamp is absolutely perfect. I set it up. I cured some black polish, which you will see from Arousar, that I have always struggled to cure. It's very pigmented and it usually does not cure in 60 seconds, and it did with this lamp. Here we are 10 minutes later. I'm doing this voiceover and there's no wrinkling or anything like that. Oh, there I am. Hi. Did you know that you have to take that blue seal thingy off of your lamp with your reflective bottom? I didn't know that for the longest time. But yeah, take that off. Won't cure properly unless you take that off. So this lamp has 33 lights inside, right? And I was trying to find like the wattage thingy on the papers here, and I can't really find it, but I'm sure it's got good wattage. It does say that on the box that it has a 12-month warranty, which I think is really awesome. Yeah, I have nothing really bad to say about it. It's a great little lamp. I think it would be really good for both people at home and salons. The only thing, like I said, is those buttons are on the back side. But it cured the polish good. It's cute. It's not like big, so it saves space. I like the little armrest thingy on the top. I really like it a lot, and I'm really excited to use it and, you know, see how long it lasts me, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you all bunches, and thank you so much, Sun UV, for sending me this lamp. You guys can find this lamp right here on TikTok. You click the little shopping link right there and you will go to this particular lamp. It's the Sun 2C, like I said, but they have other lamps as well. Yeah, it's a great lamp. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. If you have any questions, let me know as always, and I'll do my best to help. I love y'all bunches and hope you have a good day. Bye.